Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about the question answers of a truly beautiful mind. I have already uploaded my video explaining the chapter. Now today I am explaining about the question answers of a truly beautiful mind, chapter number 4. So question number 1, these all are the textual questions. You can refer your textbook and you can find the answers here. Explain what the reasons for the following are. First, Einstein leaving the school in Munich for good. So why he left that school? They are asking the reason. So the reason is Einstein did not like the strict order and discipline of the school. He had clashed with teachers also. So he didn't like the strict order and discipline of the school, and that's why there are might be many times he clashed with the teachers also. Question number 2, Einstein wanting to study in Switzerland rather than in Munich. So the reason is his parents moved to Milan. They left Einstein with their relatives. Einstein convinced his parents to continue his education in Switzerland. What was the reason why he shifted Switzerland? Reason was because it was more liberal than Munich. Because in the schools and the universities in Munich, they used to follow strict rules and regulations, discipline, which Einstein didn't want. So after when his parents lived to Milan, he wanted to shift to Switzerland, and only it was the reason that because in the Switzerland the schools and the universities were more liberal. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Next, question number 3, Einstein seeing in Milivia and LA. So what they are asking the reason. He saw an LA in Milivia because he found her a clever creature. She was very intelligent also. The basic thing was Einstein found Milivia a very clever creature, in the sense she was very intelligent, and because of that he got attracted towards Milivia. Okay, next, fourth, what do these tell you about Einstein? So the answer is, these tell that means about whatever we have right now we have discussed. What does it tells about Einstein? So these tells that Einstein was not an ordinary boy. He had the qualities that would make him great in future, and this he did show in his discoveries. So these all things shows that Einstein was not an ordinary, and he was just showing that in the near future he would do many important work, many important discoveries too. Okay, now question number 2. What did Einstein call his desk drawer at the patent office, and why? And why means why the Einstein called his desk drawer in that name. So let's see, what does he call his desk drawer? Einstein called his desk drawer at a patent office as Bureau of Theoretical Physics. And why he called it? Because he was developing his own ideas there. We have seen in the chapter 2. So the drawer had proofs of his efforts. Whatever effort he was doing, he had written them on paper and kept them there in it. Therefore, he said that it was a Bureau of Theoretical Physics, because whatever he used to do, that invention, discoveries, whatever calculation he used to do, he used to write it there and put it in the drawer itself. That's why. So let's see question number 5. Why did Einstein write a letter to Franklin Roosevelt? He was the president there, and in the chapter we found that Einstein wrote a letter to him. So here the question they are asking, that why did he write that letter? So the Nazis had acquired the technique and knowledge of making an atom bomb at that time, because World War II was going on around. So Nazis in the Germany, they have acquired the technique and knowledge how to make an atom bomb. So they could, and why they acquired all the technique? Because they could develop an atom bomb. वो atom bomb बना सके. It could destroy the whole part of the world if they exploded it. Means if they prepare it and explode it, बॉम्ब बनाते हैं और गिराते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा? It would destroy the whole part. पूरी कंट्री की जिस भी पार्ट में गिराएंगे वो पार्ट पूरी की पूरी खत्म हो जाएगी. This concern for the world, बिकॉज आइंस्टाइन को इतना डिस्ट्रक्शन बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. तो ये जो कंसर्न था, ये चिंता था आइंस्टाइन को, मेड हिम राइट दैट लेटर. वो बहुत चिंतित थे, इस वजह से उन्होंने फ्रैंकलिन रोजवेल्ट को लेटर लिखा कि अगर हो सके तो इस चीज को आप रोकिए. ओके, सो हाउ, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. हाउ डिड आइंस्टाइन रिएक्ट टू द बॉम्बिंग ऑफ हिरोशिमा एंड नागासाकी? दीज आर द टू सिटीज ऑफ जापान वेयर एटम बॉम्ब हैड बीन ड्रॉप्ड देयर. So how did Einstein react after dropping the bomb? How did Einstein react? So the bomb had caused huge destruction. जब एटम बम गिरा बहुत बड़ा डिस्ट्रक्शन हुआ, बहुत विनाश हुआ. Einstein was deeply shocked at this, और आइंस्टाइन बहुत ही दुखी हुए. He wrote a public letter to the United Nations to put an end to the arm race. उन्होंने यूनाइटेड नेशन में लेटर लिखा. क्यों लिखा? ये जो आर्म्स का यानी वेपन्स का एक जो रेस चल रहा था कि तुम्हारे पास इतना है तो मेरा आपसे भी ज्यादा है, तो ये रेस है, ये बंद होना चाहिए. He had fears that world peace would be disturbed due to these developments. उनको क्या डर था कि उनको ये डर था, फियर था कि वर्ल्ड पीस इससे बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट हो सकता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Why does the world remember Einstein as a world citizen? पूरा वर्ल्ड जो है वो आइंस्टाइन को एक वर्ल्ड सिटीजन के रूप में कैसे, क्यों याद करते हैं? व्हाट इज द रीजन? यानी इंस्टेड ऑफ साइंटिस्ट, व्हाई दे रिमेंबर आइंस्टाइन एज अ वर्ल्ड सिटीजन? सो द आंसर इज, द वर्ल्ड रिमेंबर्स आइंस्टाइन एज अ वर्ल्ड सिटीजन बिकॉज ही वॉज ग्रेटली कंसर्न्ड अबाउट द वर्ल्ड्स सेफ्टी. द वर्ल्ड वॉज आफ्टर द आर्म्स रेस. आइंस्टाइन को ये दुनिया के बारे में बहुत चिंता था. वो वर्ल्ड की सेफ्टी के बारे में सोचते थे, पीस के बारे में सोचते थे, किस तरीके से शांति बनाए रखे उसके बारे में सोचते थे. He was worried that the atom bombs could destroy the world if the countries made and exploded them. तो उन्हें ये डर था, ये वरी होती थी, ये चिंता होती थी कि एटम बम अगर एटम बम गिराया जाए तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? वो बहुत बड़े एरिया को डिस्ट्रॉय करेगा. अगर एटम बम को गिराया जाए, अगर कंट्रीज के बारे में सोचे कि एटम बम बनाते हैं और इसको एक्सप्लोड करते हैं यानी ड्रॉप करते हैं, तो बहुत ज्यादा डिस्ट्रक्शन हो सकता है. तो इसके बारे में ही बहुत ज्यादा कंसर्न था, लोगों को बहुत जागरूक कर रहे थे. तो दैट्स वाई ये एक बहुत अच्छा काम, नोबल काम कर रहे थे. दैट्स वाई वर्ल्ड रिमेंबर्स आइंस्टाइन एज अ वर्ल्ड सिटीजन. ओके, सो लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Here are some facts from Einstein's life. आइंस्टाइन के लाइफ के कुछ फैक्ट चैप्टर में से लिया गया है. अरेंज देम इन अ क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर. इसको हमें सही तरीके से क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में हमें इसको करना है, पुट करना है. तो क्रोनोलॉजिकल यानी क्या होता है? पहला कौन सा घटना घटा, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, दैट्स यानी सीक्वेंस वाइज हमें करना है. सो यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा. ए, आइंस्टाइन पब्लिशेस हिज स्पेशल थियरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी. He is awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. C. Einstein writes a letter to US President Franklin D. Roosevelt and warns against Germany's building of an atomic bomb. D. Einstein attends a high school in Munich. E. Einstein's family moves to Milan. F. Einstein is born in Germany, city of Ulm. Einstein joins a university in Zurich where he meets Milivia. H. Einstein dies. I. He provides a new interpretation of the center of the gravity. J. Tired of the school's regimentation, Einstein withdraws from school. K. He works in a patent office as a technical expert. L. When Hitler comes to power, Einstein leaves Germany for the United Nations. तो आपने यहाँ देखा बहुत सारे ऐसे फैक्ट है जो चैप्टर में से लिया गया है, बट हैफाजर्ड है. तो हमें इसको प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस में क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में हमें करना है. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट आ जाएगा F. ये जो F है ये हमारा फर्स्ट है. जो फर्स्ट इंसिडेंट हुआ आइंस्टाइन के साथ वो। सो एफ में क्या है, तो मैंने सीक्वेंस भी वैसे ही किया है जैसे ऊपर है उसी इसमें डाला है, बस इसको हमने सीक्वेंस वाइज हमने जो भी फैक्ट है उसको सीक्वेंस वाइज किया, बाकी इसका जो मेन ये था नंबरिंग था उसको चेंज नहीं किया, सो दैट कि आपको इजी हो इसको सॉर्ट आउट करने में। सो द फर्स्ट आ जाएगा एफ, आइंस्टाइन इज बोर्न इन द जर्मनी सिटी ऑफ उल्म। डी, आइंस्टाइन अटेंड्स अ हाई स्कूल इन म्यूनिक। E, Einstein's family moves to Milan. J, tired of school's regimentation, Einstein withdraws from school. H, Einstein joins a university in Zurich where he meets Milivia. K, he works in a patent office as a technical expert. A, Einstein publishes his special theory of relativity. I, he provides a new interpretation of the center of gravity. B, he is awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. L, when Hitler comes to power, Einstein leaves Germany for the United States. C, Einstein writes a letter to US President Franklin D. Roosevelt and warns against Germany's building of an atomic bomb. H, Einstein dies. So these are the question answers which I had explained here. If you have any other doubt related to the chapter, you can comment in the comment section box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and do share with your friends. Till then, bye bye to all of you.